राम राम ही सारे ने और आज है मेरा 75 हार्ट का 17 डे. Let's get start the video guys for spoken English. I took the challenge of 75 hard. राम राम ही सारे ने. You must hear. You have to motivate us again with your own feelings. The same story, the same content. Alright?
Alright, sir.
Got it?
Got it.
You have to intimate like a motivational speaker. And I use this word. Yay! I use this word. So you have to engage us in your speech. You can ask some questions. You say yes, no, alright everyone, please clap, stand, boom, boom, like this. Alright everyone?
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes.
Alright?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ देखो सामने वाला बेशक भी हो तुम्हारे नहीं होनी चाहिए. Alright?
Yes, sir.
ले Okay, let's start. Please clap for Amit now. You can do it, Amit. I know. Rama bhai सारे हैं. Start करिए.
चलो भाई हो जाओ स्टार्ट.
Yes.
First of all, hello everybody.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Okay, so I'm going to motivate you. I'm going to like a intimate of motivation speaker.
Intimate like a motivational.
Intimate like a motivation speaker, and I'm going to give the best. हाँ पहले आप ये कर लो.
Hey, start. Do your word.
So hello to you also.
Yes. Do your work.
So I'm going to intimate like a motivational speaker, and I'm going to give my 90%. I'm going to give the best of myself, and so I'm going to motivate you in my way. By the motivation, what you feel. Actually, what you feel by the motivation. Can anybody please give the answer of this question?
By motivational.
Yeah.
At times I feel like
Okay.
I have much power. And,
Okay.
And I feel like a positive and I have strength.
Thank you, ma'am. So I'm going to give the example of for motivating you that how gods also help you and how gods give the good chance to you to change yourself and to
Change this word. Come here. How God helps you.
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 How God
Now it's like
helps
this.
you.
How God helps you.
How God helps you.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
How God helps you.
That's amazing.
Yes.
How God helps you. You know that. So always keep it on, carry on doing the hard work, because your hard work will give you a one chance in your life.
Your hard work will give you like this.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yes. Do it. Your hard work
Your hard work
will
give
you
you
another chance.
the another chance.
Speak it again.
Your hard work will give
Your
you.
hard work will give you again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your hard work will give you the another chance.
Alright.
Okay, sir.
You can do it, Amit.
I know.
Please clap for him meanwhile.
There is a boy who is suffering many of the problems, but still he is doing his hard work. He is following his profession, what he is doing each and every day. Early in the morning, he is cleaning the mirrors of cars of every businessman or every richest persons
Speak aloud.
at the roadside. And this is good expression.
Yes.
At the roadside,
Keep doing
carry on, keep it, and he's very doing in a very good manner his what he's doing. He's cleaning the mirrors every day. It doesn't matter that how much money he's earning, but he's earning for at least 2 times
Okay.
food for at least 2 times. But there is a businessman.
But now there is a twist now
Yeah.
in his voice. He was
Okay, I got it.
He was talking about a beggar, like
Okay.
a person who was in need. But on the other hand, he is talking about a businessman. So how? But there is a person who is a businessman.
Okay, I got
but
it.
There is a person who is
Businessman.
who is
Businessman.
who is
Businessman.
But
but
there is a businessman who is observing each and every day to him that how he is doing his work in a good manner, in a trustable, that how the person is giving the money in a very low price. Some of the peoples are not giving the money in a
people.
some of the peoples are not giving the money in a sufficient way. What's the need? What's the need of that person? That person is observing him in every day. A businessman have the big building.
A
that-
businessman has
businessman,
not
yeah,
has. Huh.
a businessman has the big building. He is the owner of that building. And the businessman one day he was crossing the road, and the boy will come again and clean his mirror. At that time the businessman give him a card, that card for at the changing of life. The card was very important in his life. You know what is written in that card?
What was written in the card? Now there is a suspense.
Yeah, I know
There is
that.
a suspense. Yes or no?
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm asking everybody. There is a suspense.
Yes, sir.
So suspense. How do you create the suspense? You know what was written in that card? Can you guess? 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 Can you guess what was written in that card?
Okay, sir,
Can
that's
you-
good, amazing. So
Yes.
now I'm going to become a professional actor.
Yes. Good.
And you know, that's a changing point in his life. The card was given by the businessman. Can you assume that what is written in that card?
What was written in that card? What was written in that card?
Yeah. In that card, there was written a address of that businessman's buildings. A next day, you know what is going to be in his life? A next day, a man was cleaning the mirror of building, and the man was, you know,
Who was the person?
who was the person that was cleaning the mirrors of buildings. Can you guess?
You have to answer it. No. You have to answer it. Answer that. Can you
Was
guess?
that person who was very beggar?
Right,
Who was the
actually.
winner? Wow. Sorry. Very nice.
And that businessman, he is still observing him in his office, from his office. So that's how I want to motivate you. Just keep it on. Carry on what you are doing right now in his life. Like a student is doing the study, keep it on, carry on. It doesn't matter that a student is facing many of the problems, struggle, he is failing again and again. Just keep it, carry on in a trustly manner, doing the hard work. One day God will also going to listen yourself. So that's how. Thank you for everyone.
Now they are clapping by themselves.
Eh?
Earlier you were saying please clap. Now in this second time they are clapping by themselves. It means somehow they like the way you said.
Okay, I got
Alright
it.
everyone, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Was it good?
Yes, sir.
Was it better than earlier?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's it everyone. Nice, nice. Whatever the circumstances, whatever the chances, what are the situations that you are fearing about, just don't take care about that. Alright?
Yes.
Just say just say this thing. I don't care. What is that?
I don't care.
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 I'm suffering from fever. I don't care.
I don't care.
I'm having a headache. I don't care.
I don't care.